Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum to all of you. Now unit number 1, exercise 1.3. Find the limit of each of the following sequence whose general term is given below. And question number 1 we have solved. Now question number 2. A of n is equal to n square minus n divided by 2n square plus 5n. Okay, so how we can find limit? First of all, here taking limit n tends to infinity. Okay, so here you can see the a of n is equal to n square minus n divided by 2n square plus 5. So here we cannot directly apply the limit, so we have to choose the different techniques, different methods. So suppose here we take n square common, so here n square common, so here only 1 and minus 1 over n, because n square again multiply with 1 equal to n square, and n square into minus 1 over n equal to minus n same. Similarly n square here common, so 2 here and plus 5 over n here. Okay, so now n square divided by n square, we can cancel it now. So n square divided by n square cancel out, so the remaining is 1 minus 1 over n and divided by 2 plus 5 over n. So now we can apply limit. Okay, so applying limit here, so 1 minus 1 over infinity, because limit n tends to infinity, as you can see. Okay, so 1 minus 1 over infinity and divided by 2 plus 5 over infinity, and must remember that 1 over infinity equal to 0. So now 1 minus 1, because minus 1 over infinity equal to 0, so 1 minus 0 and divided by 2 plus 5 over infinity equal to 0. Similarly 1 over infinity, not only 1 over infinity equal to 0, any number just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by infinity equal to 0. So similarly 5 over infinity equal to 0 here. So 1 over 2 is a answer, we can say. So if you have any confusion, any query, any question, you can ask in comment section, and it's humbly request to you, please subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest videos. Thank you.